Hey, welcome back to Sam Fitness Center. If you're looking to burn fat and boost your energy, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 fat-burning cardio moves that you can literally do anywhere. No gear, no gym, just your body and some motivation. Let's get right into it. First up, jumping jacks. This classic cardio move wakes up your whole body, gets your heart pounding, and lights up your endurance. Just jump those feet out and raise your arms overhead. Go for 45 seconds, rest for 15, and repeat it 3 times. Remember, keep your core tight for that extra burn. Next, high knees. Picture yourself sprinting in place, but really drive those knees up, up, up. Pump those arms, stay light on your feet, and push your pace. This one's amazing for burning calories and sculpting your legs and abs. Pro tip, land softly on the balls of your feet. Number 3, burpees. Love 'em or hate 'em, burpees are the ultimate calorie crusher. Squat down, jump back, hit a push-up, then explode up to the sky. Try for 10 to 15 reps per set. Need a break? Ditch the push-up for now. You'll still get an awesome workout. 4th move, mountain climbers. Get into a plank, then alternate driving your knees toward your chest, quick and controlled. This one's fire for your core, arms, and legs. Just keep those hips low and back flat. And finally, skater jumps. Leap side to side, swinging your arms for balance. The lower and wider you go, the more you'll feel it in your glutes and thighs, and your heart rate will soar. Land soft, stay low. There you have it. 5 fat-burning cardio moves you can do literally anywhere. Mix and match them, build your own circuit, and most importantly, just keep moving. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a sweat session with me. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you next time.
Hey there, fitness fans! Feeling crunched for time but still want a killer workout? You're in the right place. We're about to embark on a 10-minute full body blast that requires absolutely zero equipment. That's right, just you, me, and your living room floor. Are you ready to feel the burn and boost that energy? Let's get started. This workout is perfect for everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros. It's designed to be quick, effective, and adaptable to your fitness level. Remember, listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. The most important thing is to keep moving and have fun. So, what are you waiting for? Clear some space, put on your workout clothes, and let's get this party started. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Today, we take that step together. Before we dive into the workout, it's super important to warm up those muscles. This helps prevent injuries and prepares your body for the amazing workout ahead. Our warm-up is simple and effective. We'll start with some light cardio to get your heart rate up. First, march in place for 1 minute, bringing those knees up high. Feel that energy surge through you. Next, do some jumping jacks for another minute. Remember, it's all about getting that blood flowing and those muscles ready for action. Now, let's stretch. Reach for the sky with those arms, feeling a wonderful stretch in your sides. Then, gently touch your toes, feeling it in the back of your legs. Hold each stretch for 15 seconds, breathing deeply. Feel those muscles loosening up? Great job. All right, let's get down to business with our 5 fantastic moves. First up, squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Lower yourself down as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Push through your heels to return to standing. We'll do 12 reps of these bad boys. Feel that burn in your thighs and glutes. Next, we're going for push-ups. Don't worry, we'll modify if needed. Start in a plank position, hands shoulder width apart, body in a straight line from head to toe. Lower your chest towards the floor, bending your elbows. If a standard push-up is too much, you can do them against a wall or with your knees on the ground. We're aiming for 10 reps, building that upper body strength. Now let's work those abs with some crunches. Lie face up, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, elbows out wide. Engage your core and lift your head and shoulders off the ground, feeling a contraction in your abs. Lower back down with control. We're going for 15 reps, sculpting that tummy. Section 4. You're halfway there. Give yourself a high five. You're already halfway through this awesome workout? Can you believe how quickly time flies when you're having fun and getting fit? Don't worry, we're not stopping now. Keep that energy up, you're doing amazing. Remember why you started this journey? To feel healthier, stronger, and more confident. Take a deep breath, grab some water, and let's crush the second round. You've got this. Section 5. Second round, stronger you. All right, round 2, let's do this. Remember those squats? We're back for more. 12 more reps, feeling that power in your legs. You're getting stronger with every repetition. Now it's push-up time again. Remember, modify if you need to. 10 more reps, pushing your limits and building those arm muscles. You're a powerhouse. Last but not least, let's finish strong with those crunches. 15 more reps, engaging that core and feeling the burn. You're sculpting a masterpiece. Section 6. Cool down and breathe. Amazing job, you did it. You conquered this 10-minute full-body workout like a true champion. Now let's cool down and stretch those muscles. Gently shake out your arms and legs, releasing any tension. Reach for your toes again, holding the stretch for 30 seconds. Feel that wonderful release in your hamstrings. Now hug your knees into your chest, giving your back a gentle stretch. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Feel the pride surging through you. You made time for your health today, and that's something to celebrate. Section 7. Your fitness journey starts now. This 10-minute workout is just the beginning of an amazing fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key. Even squeezing in short workouts like this a few times a week can make a world of difference. I know you have it in you to live a healthier, happier life. And guess what? I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. Now go out there and shine.